If you're experiencing issues with multiplayer in The Sims 4, Calibration may help resolve the problem. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially fix the multiplayer functionality. Step 1. Check game updates. Ensure that The Sims 4 is updated to the latest version. Open your game launcher and look for any available updates. Install them if necessary, as updates often fix bugs and improve multiplayer features. Step 2. Verify game files. If you are using a platform like Origin or Steam, verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for missing or corrupted files and replaces them, which can help with multiplayer issues. Step 3. Adjust network settings. Check your internet connection and ensure it is stable. If you are using a router, try restarting it. Additionally, check your network settings in the game and ensure that multiplayer options are enabled. Step 4. Disable mods and custom content. Sometimes, mods and custom content can interfere with multiplayer functionality. Temporarily disable them by moving your mods folder to another location and restarting the game to see if the issue persists. Step 5. Reinstall The Sims 4. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling The Sims 4. This can resolve deeper issues that may be affecting multiplayer. Make sure to back up your saved games before doing this. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the multiplayer issues in The Sims 4. If problems continue, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.